they always help me in my difficult time also.
Oh, what is your difficult time, by the way? Huh? When do you feel it is your difficult time? What does confidence mean to you?
Confidence mean to me that believe in myself. If I believe in myself, I will be very confident.
How can we boost our confidence?
Always do your best and never give up. If you are doing something and you can't achieve that, so you can't say that I am not able to do that, so I will never do it. So that is bad habit. So you can always try your best. If you can't do in first time, you will try to able in 3-4 time.
Do you help your parents at home? How do you
Yes,
help?
if I have friend in my school, so he can help me in school, not here. So the friend is important, but family is more important than friend.
Wow, great.
I respect my older teacher because they help motivate us and they help us in learning. My arts ma'am is very strict. I don't like.
Ma'am, I will send you this video personally. View.
I find a Sanskrit little bit tough because this subject is little bit hard to speak and I don't I don't understand some word in Sanskrit. I know little bit word in Sanskrit.
What is one bad habit you want to improve?
My bad habit is
You have so many bad habits.
no.
Yes.
No. That while studying I get distracted sometimes, so I want to improve that. And sometimes I make something and I can't make it, so I tear it and throw in dustbin. But this is my bad habit because I waste the paper also and I don't get anything.
Very innocent guy, guys. Trust him. Whatever he's saying, he's telling the truth.
Yes. I like my brother.
I say, I don't
really
have.
do. That I really do. That
Yeah, if I have,
I have
actually, I eat dark chocolates. I don't tell them that I'm eating something. When they get to know about it, I say, no, I'm not eating anything. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So today I am with my elder son. So I'm going to tell you how you can practice along with your children, and it is very easy. But people often get confused which type of questions should we ask to our kids so that they can also practice, and along with them we can also practice. So today I'm going to tell you a simple method by which you can also practice with your children, and indirectly you can teach them also how to practice, how to talk in English, how to ask questions, how to answer also. But today I will ask the question and he is going to give all the answers of my questions, and I will ask questions related to his life, school life, studies, family, and all about him only. And then after watching this video, please comment me down so that he can understand he's doing correct or not, because he is also learning, he's on the way to learn and to boost his confidence. And so please try to motivate him also and me also. Okay, let's get started. So view, I have many questions I have noted down in my phone. So my first question is okay. Okay, so my first question is, can you describe yourself?
Yes, I am a cheerful and hardworking student. I like to helping others.
Oh, what a confidence.
Yes.
That's great. He's mama's boy. Okay, what are your strengths?
My strength is my confidence and I like to do hard work. I always try to do my best.
And mama is not your strength?
Yes, you are also my strength.
Okay, I thought he will talk about me. Okay, the next question is, what do you want to be in the future and why?
I want to be the doctor in my future because I want to help others and I want to make my parents proud.
Wow. I really want you to be a heart surgeon. That's my only wish for you. Okay. So after becoming a doctor, will you help needy, those who don't have money?
Yes, I will help the all people who don't have money.
That's really great. Mama and daddy will be proud. Next, why is your family important to you?
My family important to me because my family is. My family is important to me because my family support and love me a lot. They help me in any time. They always help me in my difficult time also. What is your difficult time? By the way, huh? When do you feel it is your difficult time? When I can't do something, so mama help me. Mama helps me. Mama helps me. Okay. Next, describe your. Do you have best friend? Yes. I really don't want my both children. They have so many friends in their life. I have so many friends. I have only four friends in my class. I really don't like this thing about me, also about anybody. I don't want somebody to have multiple friends in life. Because in today's life, I don't know. I may be wrong because I'm very choosy about making friends. So it's I don't trust anybody because these are people they kill you behind your back, you know. So they cheat you. That's I don't like. I have only four friends. Four. Okay, guys. Next question. Okay, next. Describe your best friend. My best friend is very kind and helpful person. He helped me in the class and he helps me. He helps me in the class a lot. We play and study together all the time. He study in my class and he live in my society also. So we can play. We always play in the park in evening. Great. Great. Friends are also very important to get our mind refreshed because I'm not saying that making friends is a very worst thing in the world. No, friends are very helpful. When we can't say something to our family at that time, we can share something with our friends also. Sometimes it is good, but not every time. Okay, next. How do you help your parents at home? Wait, Mama. Let me answer the question. Okay. You answer. Yes, friends are important, but not too much because we can share some things with our friend, but they help us in little time. Mean if I have friend in my school, so he can help me in school, not here. So the friend is important, but family is more important than friend. Wow, great. Okay. The next question is do you help your parents at home? How do you Yes. help? I help my mother in cooking and because I know cooking and I help my father with some work. My father has more work so I help my father in work and my little brother study so I make him understand to study. Great. He does all these things. Whatever he's saying, he is capable to do everything in cooking, in household chores also. In every way, he does that. I'm so proud of you. And in future, he will help his wife also, and she will be very happy. Okay, now let me ask some questions related to your school life. Okay, what do you like the most about your school? I like the my class teacher and some teachers because they study very well and I They study or they teach us very well? Yes, they teach us very well and I like my school playground because that is very big and there in my school sports room there are many types of game to play. Great. You don't like your every teacher? Yeah, I like my every teacher, but not all. Some every teacher and all. Some teacher, my arts ma'am is very strict. I don't like. Ma'am, I will send you this video personally. मम्मा मम्मा Okay. तुमने सच में देख लिया हाँ तो देखेंगी ओके तो देखती है हाँ तो every teacher अरे काटे ना व्यू ठीक है ठीक है next which subject do you find difficult and why and don't say that because of your teacher it is very difficult for me because you are telling to your tuition teacher no okay otherwise I will send this video to that teacher also I find a Sanskrit little bit tough because this subject is little bit hard to speak and I don't I don't understand some word in Sanskrit. I know little bit word in Sanskrit but the that I'm saying that Sanskrit paper is very easy. Mean Sanskrit exam is easy, but Sanskrit language is difficult.
Yes, I agree. It is very difficult. Actually, I also don't understand what is written. What is the meaning of, like, I don't have any ABC of that in my mind now. Okay, why is education important in everybody's life and in your life also?
Education important to
Education is important.
Education is important to gain our knowledge, and it helps us in future to get a good job.
Good. Do you think your parents are utilizing their knowledge and their education?
Yes, my mother and father is using their
They both are using.
They both are using their education. So my father is teacher. My father is teaching with his education, and my mother is also teacher. So my mother and father both know about teaching.
Hmm. His words are not clear like me now. Okay. Now let me ask some general questions. Okay. So how can we keep our environment clean? And do you help to keep the environment safe, neat and clean?
Yes, I will help.
I will help. Don't you help now?
Yes, I am helping.
I help, not you are not helping right now.
Yes, I help the environment. I don't throw the garbage on road. I throw it on the dustbin, and I tell to my friend that he always throw the garbage on dustbin. In my school there is canteen, and near the canteen, very near, there is playground. In playground there is canteen, so everyone takes something from canteen and they throw wrapper in playground. So
Really?
Yes.
We also do sometimes.
Yes. No. I once time I do, but I then I forgot that where I throw. After games period, I throw it in dustbin. After that, I thrown. Yes.
Okay. Who teaches this all to you?
My sports sir.
What does he say?
He said don't throw garbage anywhere, and don't run in the corridor. If I see any garbage on the corridor, I will don't allow to play you games.
I will not allow you to play the game.
Yes.
Repeat.
I will. My sports sir say if I
Says.
my sports sir says that if I see any garbage on the corridor or playground, so I will not allow you to
Play the game.
play the game.
Very good. Okay. Why should we respect our teacher? And first of all, do you respect your teachers, all the
Yes.
teachers?
Yes, I respect the older teacher
I
because
respect my all the teachers.
I respect my older teacher because they help motivate us, and they help us in learning.
Hmm, great. We should always respect our teachers along with our parents. And whether a teacher is scolding, but still we should not say any abusing word and anything wrong to our teachers and to our parents, because whatever they say, their motive is to guide you, to motivate you, to make you a good person and good human being in life. So we should be always thankful, grateful toward our teachers and family, especially grandparents, parents, right? What makes you happy?
When I play with my brother or I spend time with my family, I feel happy. Or sometimes and sometimes when I watch my favorite show in TV.
Not show, games. What is one good habit you have? Good habit you have.
I have one good habit that that this then teacher give me something to learn. I easily learn it in 1 or 2 minutes. But my other classmate take 4 or 5 minutes to learn this. But I learned this very fast.
Yeah, I believe and I know he does it because his all teachers say the same thing, that whatever we tell, he learns that quickly. So yes, he does that. Okay. What is one bad habit you want to improve?
My bad habit is
We have so many bad habits.
no.
Yes.
No. That while studying I get distracted sometimes, so I want to improve that. And sometimes I make something and I can't make it, so I tear it and throw in dustbin. But this is my bad habit because I waste the paper also and I don't get anything.
Your friends were also saying the same. Ishans and Hardik was saying the same, right? All the time in the classroom you do this, right?
No.
Yes.
No, in free period.
So why do we do that?
My free period.
Do you get notebooks? It's free of cost.
No, in free period.
You can do whatever you want to do with your notebooks.
No, so when my friend has rough notebook, that is first term.
My friend have or has?
My friend has one notebook that is first term notebook, but in March I will go at 7. So that notebook we tear all the pages we need. That
So my
in a week there is only 1 or 2 free periods, so that's why that free period say that you can play, because there is 1 or 2 period in a week.
only week in a week.
Yes.
Okay. So my next question is, what have you learned from your parents? Did you learn something?
Yes, my parent teach me very things. I don't know, but my parents teach me very thing. My
Very
parents
things? So many things.
Yes, so many.
ठीक है.
My parents teach me lot of things. My parents also teach me to do your work, do hard work, and complete your homework on time. My parents make me able to do my work good without any mistake.
Do you like when your parents guide you,
Yes,
or do you feel irritated?
sometimes.
How you pitega?
When I don't understand something and
So you can ask us, na?
someone is trying to understand me, but then I said I can't understand the people that is telling me since
The person, not people.
the person that is
Who is
telling
telling me? That is who is telling me.
who's telling me since 15 or 10 minutes, so I get irritated that I am not understanding it.
At that time you can take time to understand that.
Yes, the people is speaking a lot.
Okay. Do you tell the truth, and why we should tell the truth?
We should tell the truth because honesty make trust. If I tell the truth, everyone can trust me.
Yes. If we tell a lie all the time, then what happens?
I say lie, but not all the time. I say lie sometime.
No, everybody does that, right? Sometimes if I have chips,
I lied to my brother.
I say I don't
really
have.
do. That I really do. That
Yeah, if I have, actually, I eat dark chocolates. I don't tell them that I'm eating something. When they get to know about it, I say, no, I'm not eating anything.
My father, my school overs at 12:30, but my father's school over at 1:40. So my father gives me 10 rupees. I eat 5 rupees thing and then I kept 5 rupees. I keep half thing in my bag and then I come to home and
I come home.
Sometimes I don't tell to my brother that I have.
I don't tell my brother.
Yes.
Del two nahi aata. Tell. Del.
Del?
Tell. Okay. How do you prepare for exams?
I revise my older classwork.
Do you do this?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. He's very innocent guy, guys. Trust him. Whatever he's saying, he's telling the truth.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't revise the.
Don't play with your toe.
Sometimes I don't revise the very long answer because that is very tough to learn. So I learn.
But for gaining knowledge, you have to do that.
Yes.
If you want to get good marks in your exams, you have to do that.
That's a problem that I learn something that doesn't come in the exam. I learn that thing that.
So it happens. That's a life. That's how we learn a lot. That's how we learn about something. So many things.
Now this my final time I learn everything. Last time I got 93. or
93
92.
point something, right?
92.3.
93 point something.
I don't know.
I got also confused. Okay, next. Don't look at the question. What do you do if you don't understand something?
I try to understand.
My pink phone.
I try to understand that if I can't, I help.
I take help.
I take help of my parents or my teacher.
Very good. Well done. Why is teamwork important? Do you believe in teamwork?
Yes, teamwork is important. The teamwork make our work faster than other. If I am doing something, if my friends help me, so I can able to do that work very fast.
Very true. Very good. Yes.
Very true.
Very good. Okay. How can you be a good student? Do you believe you are a good student and why?
Yes, I am a good student.
How can be a good student?
Because I don't run in the corridor on the lunch time. And my teachers also
We obey our teachers. We should obey our teachers.
Yes, if teachers need any work, so they tell me and I help all my teachers to do. Because I know everything in the school. But
Oh, everything.
yes, I know where is this lab, that lab. So teachers always
Call me.
yes.
Teachers always call me. Okay, that's good.
Even class monitor don't go with me.
Doesn't.
Yes, because I know.
Okay. Next, what would you do if you saw someone in trouble?
I would help him. If not, I will take help of any adult.
Great. You're using your mind. Next, what does confidence mean to you?
Confidence mean to me that believe in myself. If I believe in myself, I will be very confident.
How can we boost our confidence?
I am saying that if we trust ourselves, if we do anything and we have trust on ourselves, so we can boost our confidence that time.
And while boosting our confidence, we may make many mistakes.
Yes.
But at that time also, we should not give up. You know?
Yes. Never give up.
We should never give up. When do you feel nervous and why? Do you feel nervous? Yeah, he's exactly like me. Whether we make mistake, we never feel nervous. But still,
Sometimes.
do you feel?
Sometimes.
Do you
I
feel?
feel nervous.
When?
When I got irritated with my brother.
At that time, you afraid that mama will come and beat me.
Yes.
Right? At that time, you feel nervous only.
Yes. When I can't achieve something at that time also.
Why?
Because
we tell you to do that. If you don't do that, we will beat you.
no, if one time in race I was in the first position, but my unluck I got hit by a rock and feet twist and I can't run, so I lose the race and I don't get the third position also. I didn't get third position also.
Okay. Okay. I will ask 3 more questions, not more than that. Okay.
You can ask 5.
Okay. How do you calm yourself before speaking on a stage? Do you go to speak on a stage?
Yes, in this week, no.
Last week.
Yes,
You went.
last week there was our morning assembly of 6C. I am in 6C, so I prepared all the things. I do thought, news, pledge, special item. I do special item. Yes.
So if you are telling it in a present tense, then you can say still I do many times. Whenever I get chance, I do these things.
Yes.
But if you are telling about your experience, which you
I'm
had
telling about
last week,
experience.
so you can tell, you can use second form of this because exams are going on, so I'm not disturbing him and I'm not telling him to make vlogs and all. I don't want him to spoil his life. So now I'm giving him proper time. Still, he's not making the most of that. Okay, so now Last but not the least, what does never give up mean to you?
Never give up mean to you that always
me.
always do your best and never give up. If you are doing something and you can't achieve that, so you can't say that I am not able to do that, so I will never do it. So that is bad habit. So you can always try your best. If you can't do in first time, you will try to able in 3 4 time. You can try to do that thing many times. So that in second class I can't able to.
I was not able to.
I was not able to learn EVS. Mean now I have science, but in second and third I have EVS. I had EVS. In fourth, fifth I try my best, and then I fill a paper and I go to the Shivaji College for VVM exam. That is very
uploaded that video.
science exam. So I got a trophy
And a certificate.
and a certificate for it. First, I don't know anything. I try.
Didn't know. First time I didn't know.
Yes, first time I didn't know. I try my best and I never give up. And now I
gave up.
I never
You
gave.
make mistake while describing past.
I never gave up, but I never gave up. So I get a trophy and certificate. I got.
Oh, he's making me irritate. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. Please praise him and tell him which type of mistakes he's doing. Is it okay to make mistakes or not? What do you think? And share opinions.
Mistake make man perfect.
Mistakes make men perfect. Wow, great.
This is my word.
Oh, okay, guys. Okay, so now we are going to wind up this session, and I was asking many questions to him, and he was able to tell everything. And I want you to share your own opinion in the comment box and tell him how does he speak and he's improving or not. But previously, when I was not a YouTuber, he used to speak English confidently, and he did not used to make mistake while describing past. But now you can see the result. When I stopped focusing him, he lost his past
This
tense.
is also the example. I give up, so I can't get the fluency that I was able to speak. Now I am able, but not very much.
It's okay. I will
Because
make.
I gave up.
Yes, because of
If I don't give up that,
didn't give.
because I
had to work on his past tense only, because now I see he makes mistake most of the time in past, little bit in present also, but it's okay. I also do. Everybody does make mistake, but little bit it's okay. It works, but not every time the same kind of mistake. I give up. I gave up. I got, like this type of mistakes we should never repeat all the time. And we should learn from our mistakes, like why people are telling me, okay, this is not good, this is not good. So try to improve in that way, right? Okay, then, bye bye. See you tomorrow. And if you want to give any advice to him, you can give. And yes, this is how you can also practice, right? He's making many mistakes, but he's so confident. He thinks like he's whatever he's saying, he's exactly right? So that's why you also can do the same thing at your home with your siblings, with your parents, with your friends, with anybody, to boost your confidence and never lose your hope, never give up. Try to do your best to keep doing. Go ahead all the time. Bye bye.
Bye.